Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Tapers and Fades. Today I'm going to be trimming my beard. I'm going to be lining it up. So if you guys like it, give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and especially don't forget to hit that subscribe button. First off, I start by visualizing where I'm going to make the line. Then applying a little clear warming shaving gel on my imaginary line. And once I'm ready, since I'm right-handed, with my left hand, I pull my skin upwards, tightening the skin. And with one smooth steady stroke, I go from the top of my beard all the way down my imaginary line. Then I'll go back to the top and with short strokes, working my way down, sharpening the line as best as I could. So the same steps for this side. The only thing is I accidentally stopped halfway because I lost my line I was following. So I stopped, cleaned the razor, and continued with my imaginary line. Here, I'm going back to a couple of areas that I've seen. Just when going over the same area, make sure to put a little shaving gel for a smoother cut and less irritation. Perfect. So to complete this cut, I'm just blending from my sideburns down into my beard. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty basic. Just let me know what you guys think. If you guys like it, share, like, comment. If you don't, give me a thumbs down and tell me what I can do to improve. Everybody stay safe out there with everything going on. Stay home, wash your hands. Stop taking all the toilet paper. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.